everybody, how's it going? 2 videos in a row. I know it's weird. Hi, how's it going?
Morning, SpongeBob.
So, today we are in Boise still. So what are we about to do? We're about to go to a continental breakfast. So tonight is gonna be shaping up to be a good day. It's gonna be a very great day. Something just fell. Look, the part of the tripod keeps on falling off. It's so annoying. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I know, it's pretty interesting to see somebody brush their teeth, right? You don't see it every day. Well, you kind of have to. Well. So, what did you just throw away?
Drink from last night.
But smash burger. Why don't we have those in Portland?
I don't know, someone needs to open one, because it was a good burger.
Better than In-N-Out, we better than Five Guys. It might be better than Shake Shack. I don't know. It was really good though. Might have like blue cheese and Frank's Red Hot Sauce. It was my kind of burger. It was really, really good. What are you doing?
I think the fact that you like to serve some.
Huh. That took you a while.
It's early.
I've been up for about like an hour more than you. Because you were snoring all night. Did we bring our shoes? Check. You know what Jordan Peele would do if he had a comment card?
He would fill it out.
Oh yeah. All 5s.
Nice.
So where are we going?
The Birds of Prey Museum, of course. Live raptor demonstrations.
We actually aren't. We're going. Are we? Caca! Caca! When was the last time you saw a Baskin Robbins?
In Tigard, like 2 miles away from our house.
There is one?
Yes.
There is? Are you sure?
Yeah, by Big 5.
Are you serious?
Yes.
For real?
Everett's gone there.
I clearly haven't. Yeah?
Are we having an earthquake?
What the heck? Or is this place haunted?
I'm gonna go with haunted, like in Jordan Peele's Get Out.
Dad, what's Chester's popcorn?
Deliciousness.
What is it?
It's like cheese curls, but half.
Oh, okay. I don't know. I might have to go with the Cheetos. Bruh. What you gonna try to aim for? You know what I haven't done in a while? Toy shop scammer. Alright, what's the next stop?
The live raptor demonstration starts at 10:30.
And what time is it?
About 10.
still, they're just birds.
Of prey. Caca!
Caca! There's a lot of birds here.
Now, if you look really closely inside of her nostrils on her beak, there's two little buttons. And those are like flow valves that allow them to breathe when they're flying really quickly. Hawks don't have that. This is only typical of the falcons. And with the bigger falcons, it's easier to see. So,
That's called arousal.
You're going caca. Whoop.
No, you didn't like that.
No, we should go. Not a bad view at all.
I like their little stadium there.
Oh yeah, what do you think they do?
Pagan rituals.
Next view, what about that one?
Over that way is a little better.
Yeah?
Because it's not just straight down into the airport.
Oh yeah? You know, this scenery right here reminds me of an episode of Breaking Bad.
It does.
Yeah, just park the RV right there, start cooking.